you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in CS2, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for CS2. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space. If your system does not meet these requirements, consider upgrading your hardware. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Installing the latest drivers can resolve compatibility issues and improve performance. Step 3. Verify game files. Open your game launcher Steam, for example, and navigate to your library. Right-click on CS2, select Properties, and then click on the Local Files tab. Choose Verify Integrity of Game Files to check for any corrupted or missing files and repair them. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Launch the game and go to the graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings to see if the loading issue persists. Sometimes high settings can cause performance issues, especially on lower-end systems. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming software, or any other programs that could interfere with game performance. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your experience and resolve the stuck loading screen issue in CS2. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.